£20, okay? It doesn't matter what currency it is. Sometimes it'll be pounds, dollars, euros. It doesn't matter. The currency, especially for the skill, is irrelevant. So we'll share £20 in the ratio of 3 to 1. If you think you know what to do, pause the video, see if you can do that. Okay, so like with other videos, we're going to do bar modeling. It's a great tool to use, okay? I've used it a few times for percentages and other things and fractions. So this bar represents £20. Our ratio is 3 to 1. So how many parts are all together? Just join this video as well. If you feel like you're starting to know what to do, if you couldn't answer the question, pause the video, carry it on yourself. So we add the parts first. So that's 4. So now we're splitting this bar into 4. 2, 3, 4. Just so you know, we got 3 plus 1 because the ratio is 3 to 1. So that means there's 4 parts altogether. Then all we do is this whole bar represents £20. We are then just sharing 20 between 4 people. So 20 divided by 4, 5. Okay, so then that 5, you're going to put that in each of the boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the start of it then. That's pretty much, you know, marking the exam already. Now it's in the ratio 3 to 1. So you want 3 5s. There's one part of the ratio, and we want 1 5. So then 3 times 5 is 15, so it's £15. Really important to use the original currency or measurement or wherever it might be, and £5, which is 1 part. And that is it, 15 to 5. Right, let's do another one. Let's say this time we have dollars, okay? Just to mix it up a little bit. So we have $35 in the ratio of 2 to 3. Yeah, it's not always the biggest number first, so let's show you different examples how you can approach it. So what you're going to do, share $35 in the ratio of 2 to 3. Remember, it's 2 to 3, not 3 to 2. Pause it, have a go. Okay, so, as before, we will draw a bar. So we have a bar, and this bar is going to be shared between the ratio of 2 to 3. So $35. So 2 to 3, we add the parts together. 2 plus 3, which equals 5. Once you get good at this, you don't need to use the bar for this skill. The bar can come back into it though when we get into more awkward ratio questions. So it's important to remember it, to have that tool with you. In exams, we really need these tools, okay, to use. They're good to fall back on if you don't understand the question straight away. So 5 parts, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to do 35 divided by 5, which equals 7. And then that 7 just goes in each box like this. There you go. So then we want 2 7s and 3 7s. So 2 7s is 14, last time I checked. And then 3 7s is 21. So we have $14 to $21. So you can see 2 lovely examples there for you. So have a go at this next one. Let's step it up that bit more. I'm just going to do, this time we'll do 60 centimeters, okay? Because it's not always going to be money, it can be measurements, it can be, you know, liters, gallons, it varies, okay? 60 centimeters in the ratio of, let's go 1 to 5 this time. So pause it, just follow the steps and have a go. Okay, so the ratio 1 to 5, so all we're doing then, we draw our box. So I like to write 60 again above it like this, just to help me, remind me. As well, if you keep all your working out neat and tidy, it helps to check your working out as well. It helps to check your answer, especially if it doesn't look right at the end. So 1 to 5, that means it's 6 parts altogether, because 1 plus 5 equals 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 60 divided by 6 equals 10. So it's 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10. So I'm just going to do 1 10 and then 5 10s. So it's 10 and 50. And that is it. Oh, you can put, my fault, I forgot centimetres and centimetres. Right, one more question to finish on, okay? One more question. Right, let's do this time 5 centimetres in the ratio of 1 to 3. So pause the video, have a go. Okay, so you should pause the video, have a go. You may realise this time you're getting a decimal as your answer. Yeah, which is perfectly normal. You can get that, it doesn't matter. Yeah, but still follow the process, or draw a bar. Yeah, and this is called bar modelling. It's a great tool, it's using loads of topics. It's good to know. It's a good tool to fall back on, as I was saying before. And this is 5 centimetres. And that's 1 to 3. So we do 1 plus 3, which equals 4. So 4 parts. So 2, 3, 4. Now, what goes in each box? Just because it's a decimal, it's still the same process. It does not change. 5 divided by 4, which is 1.25. Okay? Just to do divide by 4 really quickly, just do 5, half it, 2.5, half it again, 1.25. And then just write in, I'll be a bit small now, 1.25 in each of these. And that is it. And then, you know, that's already marks in the exam as well. This could be 2 marks, maybe 3, depending on how hard it is. 2, maybe 3 marks. You know, that'll be a mark in the exam, just getting these steps, these first steps. Right, and then it's 1.25. Because we want 1 of them, and then we want 3 of them. And then 3 1.25s is 3.75. That's some quick maths for you. Centimetres and centimetres. And there you go. That is ratio sharing the total. It does get harder, and I will do that in other videos as well. Okay, so this has been Maths with Jacko. I'm Bradley Jackson, your online maths teacher. This is ratio sharing the total. If you have any questions, let me know. Comment, message me, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Any improvements to the videos or any feedback is completely welcome. Just leave some comments down there and I'll reply. Enjoy the rest of your day, take care, and I'll see you next time.